Go to the Automation tab, click Variables, and the Add icon. Double-click to rename, and click the Edit icon. Under Variable Type, select Number. We're going to use specific settings to format the discount percentage. Click Suffix and enter a % sign. Then click Range. We're going to set limits on the discount from 10 to 50%. Now click Number Formatting and under Decimal Places, select 0. Lastly, go to the User Interface tab and under Step Size, enter 5. When the stepper is used, the number will increase or decrease by 5. Now, select the number on the canvas, hover over the discount variable, click the More Options icon, and insert. To test your number variable, go to Run mode and use the stepper.